So, welcome everybody. Good morning to all of you. Now, let us start the exercise A. This is the easiest one due to two reasons. One is you know that in normally what happen exercise first question is the easiest one, and last exercise last question is the difficult one. And second one is that we are in this chapter we proceed from the back. So naturally we had already attempted almost all difficult problems, so only easy one left for you. Or you can say that after such a practice each and every problem become easy for us. Now let us take that you are requested to listen to me. In this exercise we are going to say if this is a set or this is not a set. In this exercise I would like to request you one thing. Let us recall the definition of the set. What is the definition of set? The set, a well-defined collection of objects, is known as set. Means about definition is well-defined. Well-defined means there is no any confusion in the definition. There is no any confusion in terms and condition. So things are clear. It will be or it will not be in the set. There is no any confusion. There is no any doubt. Now doubts will be still there. But that will be due to the approach, not due to the definitions. Understand? So in their several questions, there will be some doubts are there due to the change in the attitude. Okay. So or the technology, whatever it is, that I will clear at that moment. There you can give any answer, but most of the cases you will find out a logical solution. It will be in the set or not. So well defined means with the description with the others or with the argument with the exchange of your knowledge and opinion, you will be able to find a amicable solution that where either you will agree with the other or the other will agree with your selection. Okay, today let us start question number 1. First one, all easy problems in a textbook. So naturally it is not a set. Why? Because whatever is easy for me, it is not necessarily for you, and whatever is easy for you, not necessarily for the others. From person to person, depending on the practice and experience, difficult and easy problems are different. So due to that, as the problems are not having the same value by each and everyone, so it is not a set, it is only a collection. Hence it is false. Second part is all three-sided figure. So you know that three-sided figure क्या बोलते हैं? Triangle. If I will make or you will make or anybody make, everybody will make that triangle. In triangles there can be a category scalene, isosceles, equilateral, acute, obtuse, right, isosceles right triangle, isosceles obtuse triangle. Like these, so many combinations are there. But one thing is clear, that will be a geometrical figure triangle. So hence it is a set. Next, the first 5 counting numbers. Now the counting numbers, you know that there are so many counting numbers like rational number, integers, natural, whole. But whenever a person starts counting anybody, like you get inside the class and you start counting the table. So everybody knows that whenever we start counting the table or anything, we start with the 1. So what are the first 5 counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No need to mention whole number, no need to mention integer, no need to mention rational number or natural. It is simply when they are saying counting number, that means you will think about that. If a person will start counting, what he will do? So he will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are also requested to do the same. Okay, check. Next is the all tall boys of your class. Now better listen to me. If there is a term, this much feet, that much feet, then you can say. Otherwise, definition of the tall or the short, fat or the thin, or the black or the fair or the dark, it is a comparative phenomenon. For example, if I will enter in your class, in the class 6, so due to my experience, what happened, I will find out that only few students are taller, others are very short and very small. And when I will enter mostly in the 10th plus 1 plus 2, But I find out only few are short and small one, others are taller or mature. So this is a comparative phenomena according to the class, right? So there is no any phenomena that this will be a tall one or this will be a small one. Let us imagine I enter the class, there is only one student is there. So I can't say that this is one of the taller student or this is the smaller student. If a complete class is, then I can say, okay, these 10 are appearing taller, so these are taller, these are the smaller. But not necessary. Maybe possible which one I feel the taller is not actually the taller, that is only a comparative phenomenon. So I personally feel there is a confusion in the definition and the norms. So due to that, we will not consider it as a set. Next. Last 3 days of the week. So now last 3 days means when you will see the calendar at your home, so last 3 days are Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? So this is a set. But if you are not using the regular calendar, you are using the electronic calendar, then last 3 days will differ for everyone. If you go to your mobile, then the setting is there. The week start with Monday, week start with Sunday, week start with Tuesday, week start with Friday, like this. Let us imagine in your mobile you give the command week start with Monday. So in that case आपके last 3 days हो जाएंगे Friday, Saturday, Sunday. किसी ने क्या रखा week start with Friday, तो उसके लास्ट में Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So there will be a confusion. Okay, right? Mostly printed calendar, whatever you had seen or whatever I had seen, mostly what we are getting the week start with the Sunday and end with the Saturday. Okay, but if you will think about the electronic calendar, there is an option from where you want to start. So it is my request, so you can decide accordingly. अगर बात majority की है तो you will give the answer Thursday, Friday, Saturday, hence it is a set. Okay, next, all triangles that are difficult to draw. So naturally again difficulty is a comparative phenomena. If you know the geometry, all triangles are very easy. If you don't know geometry, all triangles are difficult. If you are learning, you are at the initial stage, some triangles are easy, some triangles are different for you. तो मीन्स कहने का मेरा मतलब ये है कि you can't say. For example, class 6 we do not start drawing the geometry. So at present for you all triangles are difficult. Once I start the chapter, you start learning the triangle geometry. Then few triangles will be easily, you will make few triangles, it will take time. And after some time and after the revision, all triangles will be easy for you. यानी कि even your opinion is getting changed. People's opinion को छोड़ो, your opinion is getting changed with as well as time is passing. So due to that, it is not a set. Next है first 3 letters of English alphabet. इसमें कोई confusion नहीं है, A, B, C, hence it is a set. याद रखिएगा जिसका आंसर होगा सेट उसमें आपने एग्जांपल दे सकते होंगे, जरूर देंगे. जैसे इसका देंगे A, B, C. जैसे लास्ट 3 डेज ऑफ वीक में लिखेंगे, अगर आप लिखते हैं सेट तो उसमें आप अपना आंसर देंगे थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. ठीक है, फर्स्ट 5 काउंटिंग नंबर उसमें आप आंसर देंगे 1 2 3. यस इट इज अ सेट 1 2 3 4 5. याद रहेगा, प्लीज सुन लीजिए मेरी बात. जिसमें इट इज नॉट ए सेट अब तो बात ही खत्म हो गई, पर जिसमें सेट है उसमें आपको बनाना. ऐसे सेट ऑफ द 3 साइडेड फिगर में आप क्या कर सकते हैं, ट्रायंगल बना सकते, स्केलेन ट्रायंगल, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल, इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल, एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ऑब्टूज एंगल ट्रायंगल, राइट ट्रायंगल, आइसोसेलेस राइट ट्रायंगल, आइसोसेलेस ऑब्टूज ट्रायंगल, लाइक दिस. ओके, चलिए नाउ 8th पार्ट, ऑल टेस्टी फ्रूट्स. अगर तो ऑल फ्रूट्स होता तब तो बात खत्म थी. Anyone coming in the definition of the fruit will be part of that. लेकिन बात आ गई टेस्टी फ्रूट्स की, तो family, there is a difference from parents to children, from brothers to sisters. So naturally it is not a set, because whatever is the tasty for me, maybe you will not like that. Maybe I like cherry, maybe you dislike cherry. Maybe you dislike mango, I like mango. So naturally tasty food is not a fixed phenomena. Person to person, according to our taste gland, our choice, our lifestyle, these will differ. Next, all clever boys of class 6. So naturally it is also a comparative phenomena. Maybe possible there is any clever boy, we don't know about him, he remain quiet, so we do not come to know. Secondly, maybe there is any clever boy, but we do not get any chance where he will be able to show his cleverness. Understand or not? Just for example, in your class there are so many students who are very good singers, but they never get the chance in the school program, so you will not come to know about their voice, sweetness of their voice, melody, whatever they know. Okay, so it is not a set. Next step, all good schools in Delhi. So naturally for you, your school is good and other school is not good, but for others that school is good, your school is not good. इसे आप ऐसे समझ लीजिए कि for you are in a private school, आपको लगा private schools are good, government schools are not good. और गवर्नमेंट स्कूल वाले जो वो कहते हैं नहीं गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स आर गुड, प्राइवेट स्कूल्स आर नॉट गुड. Understand or not? So person to person differences are there. Whatever is good for you, it not necessarily for good for the others also. Even if you are the part of a school, if you are a good student, you are scoring well, you say my school is very good. But if you are not a competent student, due to any reason, you are not able to perform, so you will say that no, school is not good, due to that I am not getting the fair chance. So naturally the definition, even in a school, when you are studying in the same school, it is not same. So it means that this is not a well-defined collection, hence it is not a set. Next, all girls in your class whose heights are less than your height. So it is a set, because in that case what happens? You will measure your height with your friend. If their height is shorter, they will be in the group. If their heights will be greater, they will be not in the group. There is no any confusion. If you are taken to somebody, I will say she is not fit for this group. You can say, sir, you can measure, and we will measure. If you are taller, then she will be in the group. If she is taller, she will leave the group. So it is well defined. Next, all boys in your class whose heights are more than your height. That also, whatever is for the girl, now it's the case for the boys. Last time they are asking whatever the shorter, make the set. This time they are asking whatever they are taller, let us make the set. So almost same, though both are set. Because with the help of the measurements, we will be able to decide he will be in the set or he will be not in the set. Next, all problems in the mathematics book that are difficult for Amit. So naturally this is a set, because Amit will decide. If I will say set of the difficult problems, just मैंने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में दिया था इजी प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए, तो नेचुरली पर्सन टू पर्सन डिफरेंट होगा, तो सेट इज नॉट देयर. बट एज इट इज ओनली डिपेंडिंग ऑन द वन पर्सन, तो नेचुरली व्हाट हैपन, वो मार्क कर देगा कि दीज आर डिफिकल्ट, आपने उसको लिख दिया दैट इज द सेट ऑफ डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम बाय द Amit. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? प्लीज सुन लीजिए. अगर मैं कहता हूँ सेट ऑफ डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम फॉर द क्लास, तो दैट इज नॉट ए सेट, बिकॉज पर्सन टू पर्सन डिफरेंसेस आर देयर. पर मैं कहता हूं सेट ऑफ डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम फॉर वन ऑफ यू, मे बी फॉर गुनगुन, मे बी फॉर अक्षर, मे बी फॉर एनीबडी, अनंत, एनीबडी. तो इन दैट केस क्या, इट इज ए सेट, क्योंकि दैट पर्सन विल डिसाइड हाँ जी ये प्रॉब्लम होनी थी और ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी थी. सो दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज 10A. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो now in the tomorrow we will try to discuss about it further, or any other I will do. Now beta, one thing more I would like to request you. Few people start making query तो बेटा आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक एनी ट्यूशन ऑफ एनी स्टूडेंट हु इज इन माई क्लास. If you are in 6th B, I will not take your tuition due to whatever that. Understand? Because in that case, in the class, there is misunderstanding between the student and also between the student and the teacher. कि बच्चा सोचता है कि he is going to the tuition to the sir due to that sir like him. या he scored the better mark because he is going to the tuition to the sir. या sir sparing because he is in the tuition. Or he is in the tuition so he will get the question paper or test paper in advance. So I would like to clearly tell to you, you can ask to your friends also, your senior, any student of our school, I am not taking tuition of any student who is in my class. If there is any student from 6th A or any student from DAV or any other school, they are coming to me, naturally I have to earn my bread and butter. But my student of my class, I am not going to take that tuition. You can come to me anytime free of cost with your problem. Once the lockdown is over, you are most welcome. You can take the time from me. Firstly, I will try my level best to give you the time in the school. Because in the school, your period start with the 3rd period. And first 2 periods I am free, so I can call you during that 2 period and I will clear your doubt. If there is still any problem is there on Saturday, your class is getting over earlier and I am going later, so for 1 period I will keep you in the school and I will clear it there. Otherwise, I will give you the address of my residence. You can come to my residence, I will make the things clear here. Means whatever is required that I will take. Secondly, several time, at least twice a week, I will make it live on my mobile, so you can take my online tuition free of cost at your mobile. For mathematics, there is no need of the tuition. It is my assurance to you. Please, you start talking to me. The only condition is that you start talking to me. If you have any type of doubt, immediately point out and ask to me, and I will take. Twice a week, I will take the tuition, maybe thrice a week, depending on the situation and the demand. Minimum twice a week, on the demand, maybe it is thrice or 4 times a week. I will take the online tuition free of cost for each and every one of you. And that will be between 3 to 5 p.m. Mostly because during that time I am at home and I am able to come online. So you are requested to be ready for that. And for the personal tuition, please don't make any inquiry because I don't have any time for that. And my personal request is that please don't go to the tuition, especially during the lockdown. तो बिल्कुल मत जाइए. प्लीज कहीं से भी इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई के लालच के चक्कर में अपनी जिंदगी खराब कर दी. मैं पेरेंट्स को भी हाथ जोड़ के रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि प्लीज आप बच्चे को ये मत सोचिए कि 2 घर दूर ही तो है, ये हमारे जानकार ही तो हैं. बीमारी का कुछ पता नहीं, बीमारी ये नहीं देखती कौन जानकार है कौन. तो मेरी एक पर्सनल रिक्वेस्ट है, बच्चों की इम्यूनिटी लेवल कंपेरेटिवली कम होती है, हालांकि रिकवरी रेट भी बहुत अच्छा होता है, बट फिर भी मेरी एक पर्सनल रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे से तो खैर पूछना ही बेकार है, पर कहीं और अगर आप भेजने की सोच रहे हैं तो प्लीज अभी मत भेजिए. लेट द सिचुएशन कम टू द नॉर्मल. योर स्टूडेंट एंड द सोसाइटी, योर सन, डॉटर एंड द सोसाइटी, लेट अस come to a level where they will be able to careful about each and everyone. Understand? So till then, I would like to request you please practice at home. As far as mathematics is concerned, I am giving you assurance that there will be no need of any tuition. If there will be need of any tuition, I will take free of cost. Okay, as far as doubts and the problems are concerned, I will give you the time in the school during the free periods that I will manage. That is my responsibility. Twice a week, I will clear your doubt. I will discuss with you the question answer. Minimum twice a week, between 3 to 5 online. Okay, whatever I can do, and even if the situation will not, problem will not get solved, So I will give you my address, or maybe possible you already know my address. You can come to my residence anytime and I will be happy to serve you. Okay. So please don't worry about the mathematics, and be safe, be careful, and practice. Because mathematics, there are three rules. First, practice. Second, continuous practice. And third, ultimate practice. So be ready for that type of practice. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.